spaces we love, and on to here is a space that I really love. We are in Kilimani near Ngong Road, so this is really the quiet side of Kilimani for anyone who knows, and all our neighborhood here is surrounded by permanent homes. So what we have here is a whole estate occupying 2.5 acres. What we have is 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, we have 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, and even 6 bedrooms. So this is only for families. The amenities here also fit families very well, because we have a very big pool. I mean, that is like an Olympic size pool. We have a baby pool, we have a kids play area, Montessori kindergarten right here. We also have provided a jogging track or cycling track for anyone who likes doing that early in the morning or in the evening. And we have a gym. What other extras we have here? We have a library, we have a restaurant, we have a mini store where you can buy whatever you want anytime. And we also have a library. For anyone who likes to work from home, then you have that perfect space for that. And we have a clubhouse, and of course a reception or a lobby. For anyone who's doing furnished rentals, then you know a lobby comes really in handy, especially for your guests. And anyone who is living here, of course, will need services like deliveries done, then you can definitely use the lobby very well. So we have the 3 bedrooms. We have very big spaces. I'm talking about 202 square meters in terms of size. Starting price from 23.5 million Kenya shillings. And the best thing about this is the development is almost ready and handed over by November of 2026. So we just have a few months for occupation, ready for occupation. So this is a 3 bedroom, all ensuite plus SQ. All the kitchens are really big, as you will see in the video. And the 4 bedrooms as well come all ensuite. 5 bedrooms, the same thing, all come with a DSQ. And the best thing about it is the DSQ is not big. The spacing of each room is not small. They are very well spaced houses. The functionality of each room and their floor plans is very important. So you will see that the bedrooms are planned very well from the living area. So the placing of rooms is always very important, especially if you're looking for a home, because this is a permanent residence and you want a space where you get inside like this, you're not getting bored or confused with the rooms and the placement of each space inside your house. So let me show you how this 3 bedroom looks like, and then we'll head over to the 4 bedrooms. Or rather, let's start with the 4 bedroom, then we can see the 3 bedroom.